If you would like to see how I made this Nutcracker tumbler, keep watching. I'm starting off with a 30-ounce Plump tumbler with a handle from the Tipsy Magnolia. I painted my tumbler using Dixie Belle Bond Emboss. This cup is for Jessie, the owner of Diamond Fire Rhinestones. This is part of the Winter Cup swap in the Diamond Fire Rhinestones Creates group, and I was the lucky one to get her. My bonus son is a Green Bay Packers fan, and so is she. One of her wish list items was Nutcrackers, so he gave me the idea to do a Green Bay Packers themed Nutcracker cup. I found an SVG of a Nutcracker that I liked on Etsy. I'll be sure to link it below. I cut out the vinyl and placed it on the tumbler. At first, I was going to use this as my design, but decided to trace the outline of the Nutcracker and use my acrylic paint markers to color everything in, including the outline. Instead of the cup saying Go Pack Go, I used Go Jessie Go. I cut this out with black vinyl. I wasn't about to trace that. I am now taking a circle I cut out with my circle punch to add some ornaments to fill in the white space. I also cut out a stencil for the football, and I drew the cheese ornament by looking at a picture and coloring everything in with the acrylic paint marker. substrate for the SS6s I used. Rhinestoning my foundation row for the top and bottom, and I let that dry while working on the rest of the cup. Nutcracker's hair using solid white. I also worked on the football ornament using neon brown. helps with getting into the tight spaces. When working with a design with multiple colors, I like to have all the colors out and also make sure I have some small stones like SS3s so I can work the section all at once. For the cheese ornament, I used the same citrine luster in neon brown to fill in that area. With the green fire opal, I just put them in random spots wherever I felt fit. Citrine luster and emerald luster rhinestones to finish. Now here is the finished tumbler. I hope this 2 tumblers I sent her. Also on her wish list was a neon Christmas tumbler, so I made this for her. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching.